My name is Sandra. I grew up here in Arlington. When I was in high school, I had to drop out to help my parents with the rent. Now I'm on my own. I'm a single mom with a 10-month-old and a 4-year-old. I make $13 an hour as an elder care companion, which comes to $27,000 a year, as long as they put me on the schedule for 40 hours a week. I qualify for public assistance, which helps with our housing, child care, food, and medical insurance. After I pay my taxes and cover transportation, clothes, personal care, and household supplies, I have nothing left each month to pay off my loans, my cell phone, and hopefully be able to do things like take my kids to the fair. What if I get a flat tire or the child care is closed and I miss days of work? I want to get out of poverty for my kids. Watch what happens as I begin to earn more. The horizontal axis in this graph shows my income as it increases. The vertical axis shows how much I have left to spend each month after I pay for our basic needs. The symbols show what assistance I'm able to receive. The red line is where I make just enough to make ends meet at the end of every month. Right now, at $13 per hour, I have nothing left each month. I need to earn more. Let me show you what happens. In the next couple of years, I managed to get a full-time job in housekeeping at the hospital, paying $17 an hour while I work on getting my GED. I'm now making a little over $35,000, but I lose my food stamps and my childcare copays go way up. I get health benefits through my job and Medicaid still covers my premium cost, but I have to pay for the out-of-pocket costs now. This new job turns out to be one step forward, many steps back. I'm $872 short for just covering the basics every month. This is so stressful. Getting extra food at the food bank and donated school supplies, diapers, and clothing from churches helps, but it's not enough. Arlington is so expensive, but when I earn more, I fall further behind. Should I move away? Where could I go? I grew up here and my parents need my help. My son is doing well in his school. In a few more years, I managed to get a custodian job at the school making $20 an hour. As my salary gets higher, my childcare and housing benefits go down at a quicker rate. On top of my full-time job, I study to become a certified nursing assistant. When I get a CNA job making $25 an hour, I'm making $52,000. I've almost doubled what I earned since I started, but I no longer get assistance with my health plan premiums, so I need to cover my premiums plus out-of-pocket costs. My kids are still in before and after care at school and in summer care, but my childcare benefits get even smaller, so I'm still $927 in the hole each month. Do I take a second job? Who will keep the kids at night? I'd never be home for them. Should I rent out my kid's bedroom? Then I risk losing my rental assistance. Let's say I manage somehow to take the next step up from a CNA and study to become a licensed practical nurse. At $30 an hour, I'd be making $62,000. My housing voucher has gone way down and my rent copays way up. My youngest is still in before and after care at school and in summer care. Now I'm short $345 each month, worse than when I made $13 an hour as an elder companion. I still need donations and help just to get by. Something as simple as a flat tire or getting sick can still push me over the edge. Once my kids are in middle and high school, I no longer have to pay for before and after care and summer care. I'm making $35 an hour, almost $73,000. The only benefit I have left is a small housing voucher to help me pay my rent. Now I have $379 left over each month. By the time I get to $40 an hour, I can start paying off my debts, saving for my retirement, and do more for my kids. Sometimes I wonder, why should I spend all those years studying while working full-time and taking care of my kids only to get deeper in the hole? I haven't been able to save for college for the kids, so I hope they will get financial aid, but then they will have to take on debt. I wish others wouldn't judge people like me who are trying so hard to get by here. There's something wrong with the system. Let's work together to fix it.